Hello, today I'm going to show you how to save your emails to Dropbox. After you install the extension from the Chrome Web Store, navigate to your Gmail inbox and select the emails you want to save. With your email selected, click the Save to Dropbox button and click Save Selected Conversations to Dropbox. You'll be prompted to choose a folder to save to, or you can create a new one. I'll create a new folder called Emails, then click the Select button. Here I can choose my save settings, file format, and file name formatting for the emails and attachments. When I'm done, I'll click Save. My emails are now being saved to my Dropbox folder, which I can access by clicking here. And now I can see in my Dropbox that my emails and attachments have been saved. Cloud HQ, helping your productivity one click at a time.